Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we dive deep into the latest and greatest products to help you make informed buying decisions. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Puori Organic Magnesium Zinc Supplement. If you're someone who's been struggling with sleep, muscle recovery, or simply looking to boost your overall well-being, this might just be the solution you've been searching for. Now, before we jump into the details, let me start by saying that this product is hands down one of the best magnesium supplements on the market, and here's why.
First off, let's talk about what's inside these capsules.
Each serving contains a potent blend of organic magnesium, zinc, and vitamin B6, also known as ZMA. This powerful combination not only supports better sleep but also helps with immune support, energy levels, muscle recovery, relaxation, and even leg cramps. One of the key benefits of magnesium is its role in cellular function. Magnesium is essential for activating various enzymes in the body that are involved in energy production. So, if you've been feeling tired or fatigued lately, a magnesium deficiency could be to blame. But it's not just about energy. Magnesium is also crucial for muscle function and recovery. When your muscles contract, they need magnesium to relax properly. Without enough magnesium, you might experience muscle cramps or stiffness, especially after intense workouts.
And let's not forget about maintaining electrolyte balance.
When you sweat during exercise or hot weather, you lose not just water but also important electrolytes like magnesium.
Replenishing these electrolytes is essential for staying hydrated and maintaining overall health.
Now, what sets Puori's Organic Magnesium Zinc Supplement apart from the rest? For starters, it's made with organic magnesium, which is known for its superior absorption compared to synthetic forms. Plus, each batch of this product undergoes rigorous testing for purity and potency, so you can trust that you're getting a high-quality supplement every time. As you can see, people are raving about the benefits they've experienced from using this supplement. From improved sleep to better recovery after workouts, the results speak for themselves.
So, in conclusion, if you're looking to optimize your sleep, boost your energy levels, and support your overall health and well-being, I highly recommend giving Puori's Organic Magnesium Zinc Supplement a try.
With its premium quality ingredients and proven effectiveness, it's a game changer for anyone looking to feel their best. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews like this one. Until next time, take care and happy supplementing.